Yo, what's up, guys? It's International. Back at it with another one. Excuse my low voice. My son's asleep, and I'm trying to leave him that way for right now. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Man, look, I keep telling y'all, man, that waitlisted. I got waitlisted last night on the Jordan ones today, the universities, and I got waitlisted, and I'm like, hey, we're gonna ride it out and see what happened. I've hit twice like this from being waitlisted. So I wrote it out about almost, I think it was like 9 o'clock last night. I got the notification saying I've been promoted off waitlist. Hit that confirm button. So we locked in. I'm about to take y'all with me. I'm gonna go pick my pair up. It's in the Saturday evening. I wasn't too much in a rush, but I'm gonna go pick my pair up. Y'all can ride with me. Let's go get them. All right, mask on. About to hit the store and get these shoes. Hit that raffle win, man. You know how it go. On feet. I got Crocs on, man. Shout out to the homies on Made It for making these custom charms for the Crocs. I'm gonna show them to you in a second. Let's get to it. Custom Croc charms. See it say H time, got the cup. Yeah, that's how we do it in H. Yo, hit that raffle win at Champs. Go pick up our pair. Let's get it. All right, man, we back at the crib. Had to get that pickup, man. Like, if you didn't see my video, like I said before, man, wait listing is clutch for me. Like, it's been coming in clutch. I've seen a few people videos saying that you have to have a certain amount of points to hit. Most of the people that I know that hit they're up in there like 1 million points, high hundreds of thousands to millions, 2 millions. And honestly, man, the way the system is it's kind of messed up with pandemic people. A lot of people not out casually shopping. The main people who are getting those points like that are resellers because they out and about, they picking up shoes on a daily. I know people personally who go buy shoes and throw them on StockX to sell them just to get their points up, and then they're able to hit shoes. So, I mean, I'm not mad at them. The game is the game, but just the way the flex system is designed, the more you spend, the more you win. But with a pandemic and late shipments and all this going on, it's hard for just a normal consumer that's not a reseller to get up there. So I can't complain. I will say I've been fortunate to hit. This is the third time I've got promoted off waitlisted. I got waitlisted. The apps had all those problems. I got a notification at like 9 o'clock, said I hit. I accepted. I can't complain. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, it's just, you got to keep trying. What I will tell you, make purchases. Like, if you need some socks, Foot Locker, Foot Action. I bought my son some Crocs, Vans, T-shirts. I bought me some shirts, man. Just get as much points as you can, to be honest with you. But let's get to the shoe, man. I will say that I was actually caught off guard because I haven't seen reviews, and I was under the impression that this whole shoe was actually leather. I didn't know that it was suede and leather. But I'm not mad. I'm not mad, man. Look at this shoe. I'm not upset at it, man. And I know that people compare, when you ask somebody how's the leather on here, and most people give it the like they compare it to like the shattered backboard is the measurement. These shattered backboard, man, no doubt. Like, look how you see the ripples, you see the tumble on the side. It's soft. The tumbling is soft. The toe box is tumbled. It's soft. I got the shoe tree in here, but I mean, it's soft. And even up here, man, like all this is tumbled. Everything that's leather on this shoe is tumbled all the way down to the swoosh is even tumbled on the shoe. So, man, like, I can't complain, man. This shoe is dope. Black laces come in them. Extra set of blue laces. I might stick with the white laces. I think the white laces will make it pop. Man, I can't lie, man. I can't wait to put these on. These are a must-have, man. If you don't have them, I know on StockX resale is crazy, but yeah, man, look at this, man. Let's take a close look. Get that suede, man. A little glue right here, as you can see. I don't like that. It's a little glue right here, but I mean, for the most part, it's cool. That suede. And then that leather. I know I'm all on the screen, but you gotta see it, man. You gotta see that, man. You got to. And then on certain parts like that, the suede, the probably nubuck, but it feels like a suede, man. It's a premium, smooth suede, and you can see. I don't know if you can see that, but as I'm doing this, you can see it brushing up and brushing back. Man, it's like some puppy hair shit right here, man. Puppy hair shit. Like, to be honest with you, it's puppy hair, man. This is. Let's do it, man. These joints are hard. I'm not gonna do it on feet because I have to do all the laces up and all. I'm sorry, I'm just not gonna do on feet. But you just got it, man. I'm gonna do some B-roll of them though. If you want to see some B-roll, I'm gonna do some B-roll of them. I'll do that because but I'm not gonna do it on feet. These are precious, man. Like, this is, I can honestly say this is probably one of the best releases I've got in a while as far as just shoe quality, everything, man. I'm just excited to have this shoe because I honestly I didn't think I was gonna hit on this shoe. And when I got waitlisted, I started giving hope. I started checking my app every hour because sometimes they won't send you a notification saying you got promoted, but they actually did this time. And I was there to accept it, man. I'm glad I had my phone in my hand. Man, you got to get this shoe if you don't have it. If you want to pay resale for it, do it. I recommend it because they might go up. They might go up in price. It's been hard. Some stores had shipments, delays. I don't know if it's true, but I heard a store down here. I had got a cancellation on my raffle, and what I was told, I don't know if it's true or not, but I was told one of the stores that I submitted the raffle to, they canceled their reservations because someone in the store actually got COVID. So that's why they closed in the store for a couple of weeks. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what I was told by a couple of sources that work for the company. So, we'll see. But more so, man, it's hard, man. This joint is hard. Let's go to B-roll, man. I just don't have no words, man. This shoe is tough. Jesus Christ. Let's go to the B-roll, man. Let's do it.
Glory, hallelujah, yeah. Holy Spirit lit, you can feel it too, yeah. Made some tickets off, doing what I do, yeah. Glory, hallelujah, yeah. Glory, hallelujah, yeah. Bought my mama a house, then got her a coupe, yeah. Paid off all her debts, now she
let the street say amen.
Yeah. Glory, hallelujah,
yeah. Blessed and highly favored, moving these haters 50 feet while they plotting and scheming, seeing this money in my reach. I don't bend, I don't break, I ain't fold, I ain't fake.